Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your nigga from Chayatsuji Kimono. For today, another men's tutorial. I feel like I haven't done one in a while. So this knot that I'm going to show you is, it looks like a men's variation on the yanoji knot that is actually for women. The tie method is a little bit different, but the end result kind of it reminded me of him, and I thought, well, if I can have one knot in a women's variation and one in a men's variation, why the hell not? So from the original tutorial that I had, it was about 90 seconds or so long. It's really easy to tie, and if you're a sort of seasoned obi tyer, you can absolutely do this under a minute. It is that easy. So pretty much all you need is a kaku obi, nothing else that you need. So without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So I've got one end of the obi here. So you want about 30 to 40 centimeters worth of obi. We're going to start wrapping around thrice, just like you would with any other musubi, really. Just make sure that you tighten in between. There we go. Then fold the starter part in half. Going to fold the wider part over the narrow part and then pull it up. So we have the narrow, wide, pull it up all the way and simply tighten. Then you have your narrow part here, the wide part here. What you do is grab the end and you place it on top of the knot that you just made. So this is the knot, and I place it on top. Then fold up the tail of the narrow part, and then what you do, go with your hand in, then you grab it, and you simply pull up just a bit and then tighten. And it may happen if that the the part that you just folded, like the actual end of the obi, may be sticking out. So if you want, you can tighten it, neaten it up a little bit. And there you go. Real easy. It doesn't really take long. Like, you could probably do it in under a minute if you're really fast. It's a nice variation on a regular kind of kuchi. So yeah, all that's left to do is move it to the end, to the back. Just making sure that's right in the middle. So there we go. That is pretty much how you tie a Kichiya knot. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you have a nice day, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.